Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and I've got our weekly production and installation update coming to you. I made one last week and I didn't give it to Cindy in time to send it out, and I know some of you called and said, where's our update? So sorry about that. It was late, it was Easter weekend and all that. Hey, is what we've got behind us is we got our CNC, and what you're looking at right now, I'm gonna show you here some video. That is the machine running and cutting parts. We are about 95% there with the setup on that, and everything is looking good. We've got a few things to dial in with software that we're gonna do Monday. We're coming in on Saturday. We're actually gonna run a few parts for a few very small jobs. Everything seems to be working. We had a little issue with a dust collector today. Apparently, if you plug something in that's 240 volt into 480 volts, it lets the smoke out of the wires, and the smoke's the important stuff that makes things work, and it doesn't work. But we've got that resolved. Everything else is up and running. Pretty much everything is over here that we need to run parts. Is what that means is you're gonna start getting phone calls at the start of next week for installations. So those of you that had stuff torn out and we were supposed to come on Tuesday and Wednesday, you guys will be first on the list. Cindy's got that all taken care of, but she's gonna start calling and emailing you. We're gonna pace ourselves, and we're gonna go a little slow for the first week and a half as we're figuring things out and getting back together. But the machine's up and running, it's looking good. The software is all integrating. We got, like I said, we got a couple little things to take care of, and we'll have it all there. So once again, for all of you guys that are customers and that have got your closets torn apart and you've been waiting a long time, we appreciate your patience, and we are thankful that you chose to do work with us, and we are excited. All of our team has done a really good job here, and it's gotten down to the end here where we're kind of looking for some stuff to do while we're waiting on this, and they've been a little bit bored on some things, but now that we're ready to go, they're excited to come out and get back in action and working and taking care of you guys. So we're excited to get that going. Like I said, Cindy will be giving you a call, sending you emails here next week. If you just signed a contract last week, you're probably not gonna you're not gonna be first on the list for a phone call or an email. Be patient, we'll get y'all taken care of. We'll be working as much as we can and fitting everybody in, working long hours to take care of you. So thank you very much for being patient. Have a good weekend, and we will talk to you next week.